we got some of this rainbow color filament from, I forgot what it's called. Sorry about that, I'm a little itchy. Popping that loose. Okay, just taking it out. What do we have down in here? Just basically telling you, oh, this is the stuff they have. Inside, it looks like they have a little filament thing. Now, of course, the bag is reusable. Okay, just got that loose. Here it is. And of course, with a large chunk of them, they come with this stuff. You can dehydrate this so you can reuse this. So put it in your filament dryer. And this. Which, if you wonder what this does, clip you here, then you put your strand across, and presto. It does the color changes over. It probably tells you on the box, I don't know. This is the first time I ever have one of these. Yeah, that's this. I'll try to print with this in the future, but this is just an unboxing, unfortunately, because I have no plans to print with it right now. I got with the other thing I got today. Otherwise, like and subscribe and comment, it'll help me grow bigger. See you next time.